Meet the ITEL Vista Tab 30 Pro, recommended for students, kids, and even professionals. For processor, Helio G99 kaya kayang i-handle yung Mobile Legends, HOK, PUBG Mobile, and CODM. Good din siya for social media apps like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. 8GB yung memory na upgradable to 16GB plus 256GB storage kaya malaki yung space for application and files. When it comes to display, 13-inch and 2K resolution with 60Hz refresh rate kaya enjoy mag-scroll and maglaro. Decent din yung color quality and pwede mo siyang iset sa standard, warm, or cool. Slim design yung tablet and matte finish yung back kaya smooth hawakan and hindi dumihin. Sa camera, modern design kaya aesthetic tignan. And dito nila nilagay yung front camera. With quad speakers kaya malakas and decent yung sounds na pinaprovide nito. Pwede ka din mag-insert ng SIM card at microSD with 3 buttons for power and volume. Meron din tong dedicated keyboard and stylus pen na available sa ITEL Store. Sa OS, version 14 at ang maganda dito may application for kids kung saan matututo silang mag-drawing and color with pre-installed Office kaya ideal for students and professionals. May AI features din which are Ibana and AI wallpaper generator. For security, may face unlock kaya safe ka dito. Lastly, 10,000 mAh yung battery kaya up to 18 hours mo ito magagamit with 18 watts charging speed so not bad na.